Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahmanan sir. In this video, I will explain you about comparison of rational numbers. Isn't it? That is what is meant by comparison. Yes, you will do comparison with your friends like that, who is taller and who is shorter. Isn't it? Like that, here we are comparing the rational numbers. That is, which one is smaller and which one is greater numbers. Okay? Then before starting that comparison between the rational numbers, I will explain you from basic, that is how to compare the rational or natural numbers. That how to compare natural numbers. Suppose 4 is there, 5 is there. Okay, which one is smaller here? Yes, we know that is 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. We will indicate this symbol. We will indicate this symbol to show which one is greater and which one is smaller. Let's take 12 and 10. Which one is smaller? Yes, here the 10 is smaller. Then we will use this symbol. Sir, how to use these symbols? See here. See here, this is the symbol. Sir, area of this is smaller. Sir, idhar area ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿದೆ. See, pointing at one point. Isn't it? It is pointing at only one point. See, this area is larger. समझ में आया? That is, this one is smaller and this one is larger. So that we have to show that is which one is smaller? Yes, sir. 4 is smaller. That this point shows a smaller number, and this area, which is bigger area or a larger area, that shows the larger number. Isn't it? Then here, which one is smaller? Yes, 10 is smaller and 12 is greater number. Here, this will point a smaller number and this will point a larger number. This is about comparison between natural numbers. Then what about the integers? Let's take -4 is there, then 5 is there. Okay, so I will write 3. Which one is smaller here? Sir, -4 is smaller. Why, sir? Because in the number line we will indicate that is 0 is here and +1 plus here in the right side. As we move to right side, the numbers will increase. Pakka there, here. As we move left side, see, as we move right side, then the numbers will increase. As we move left side, that is, numbers will decrease. Isn't it? This is about the number line. Then which one is smaller here? Simply, sir, -4 is smaller than 3. Next, then take two integers, that is -3 and -1. Which one is smaller here? Whether -3 is a smaller or -1 is smaller. See here, as we move from left side, as we move to left side, the numbers will decrease. That is, -1 is greater than -3. Okay, also we can tell that -3 is smaller than -1. समझ में आ रहा? That is simple. Then -1000 is smaller than 1. Which one? That is +1. We can write it now, sir. Yes, sir. Why, sir? Because as we move left side, the numbers will increase. Sorry, decrease. As we move right side, the numbers will increase. समझ में आया? Then come to comparison between rational numbers. How to compare? See, here are two methods are there. Here, step by step, I will explain you. Here, two methods. First method is if the denominators are same. First one is if are same. Second method is if the denominators are different. Two methods are there. While comparison of rational numbers, here the two methods are there. First one is if the denominators are same. How we will solve? How we will compare the numbers. If the denominators are different, how we will compare? Okay, first one, that is if the denominators are same. First, the denominators are same. That is, take one example. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Here, denominators are same. See here, denominator is 3 here, and here also denominator is 3. How we will show that which one is smaller and which one is greater? Sir, see here, while comparison between the two rational numbers, if the denominators are same, then we can compare only numerators. See here, numerators are 2 and 4. See, 2 and 4. See, which one is smaller here? That is -2 is smaller than 4. Sure. Then we can easily say that -2 by 3. 2 by 3 is smaller than 4 by 3. Pakka. Then one more example I will explain, that is here 1 by 4. Okay, then 5 by 4. See here, two denominators. The denominators of two numbers are same. Then here we have to compare only numerators. See, 1 and 5 are the numerators. Which one is smaller here? Sir, simple. 1 is smaller than 5. Then easily we can say that 1 by 4 is smaller than 5 by 4. समझ में आया बात? This is very easy. Why? If the denominators are same. Okay, one more example I will give you. That is 5 by 8, then 6 by 8. Here the denominators are same. Then we have to compare only numerators. Numerators are 5 and 6. See, 5 is smaller than 6. We know that 5 is smaller than 6. Then we can easily say that when that is denominators are same. That is 5 by 8 is smaller than 6 by 8. This much is okay. Okay. Let's take one more example. Or -5 by 3. Okay. Then 1 by 3. See, -5 by 3 and 1 by 3. Here the denominators are same, isn't it? Here the 3 is a denominator, and here is also 3 is the denominator. Then we have to compare which numbers, that is numerator. That is -5 and 1. Which one that is? +1. Okay. Then which is smaller here? That is -5, isn't it? That is -5 is smaller than +1. Then we can easily write it, that is -5 by 3 is smaller than +1 by 3. Okay. Then take one more example. Okay, that is -2 by 5 and -1 by 5. Okay. -3 by 5. I will write it -3 by 5. Okay. See here two numbers, two rational numbers having same denominator, that is 5. Then we have to compare which numbers, that is numerators. See, -2 and -3 is there. -2 and -3 is there. Here, which is smaller than? Which number is smaller here? That is -3 is smaller than -2. Okay. Then see the previous example, then you will get, isn't it? Then -3 is smaller than -2. -3 is smaller than -2, and also we can tell that -2 is greater than -3. Okay. Then easily we can write it, that is -2 by 5 is smaller than, greater than -3 by 5. Okay. -2 by 5 is greater than -3 by 5. समझ में गया बात? Okay. Then Sir, you are explaining only the two digits numbers, isn't it? Between comparison between only two rational numbers. What about if the more than two rational numbers? Take example. That is 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 6 by 4. Here the three rational numbers are there. Here three rational numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 6 by 4. Okay, see here. See here, compare between three numbers, that is denominators are same. Denominator is what? 4. Yes. Denominator, if the denominator is same, then what we have to do? That is simple, that is we have to compare the numerators. See, we can easily write it, that is 1 is smaller than 3. Simple. 1 is smaller than 3. Pakka? Yes. Then what about 3 and 6? Yes sir, simple. 3 is smaller than 6. 3 is smaller than 6. Then we can easily write it, that is 1 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 is smaller than 6 by 4. Okay, simple. If and only if, that is the denominators are same, then we have to compare the numerators. Okay, this is about first method, that is if the denominators are same. Okay, then let's take second one or a second method, that is if the denominators are different. Second method, that is if the denominators are different. Okay, see, I will explain that is by example, that is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Here the two numbers are there. It is, what's this? That is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Here we have to compare these numbers between them only. That is, which one is smaller and which one is bigger, we have to find. Okay, here first step what we have to do is, first, that is we have to make the denominator same. Okay, sir, first method that is we have to make that denominator should be same. Otherwise, now easily find out. That is, we have to find out, that is first make denominators same. Okay, first now denominators are the same one. Sir, what we have to do that is denominator should be same. That is, say, see here, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Just think of it. Is it? See, first I will take first number, that is 1 by 2. Okay, the denominator of other number, right? I have written this one, and denominator of other number is, that is 3 is there. Okay, 3. I will do that is one thing, that is multiplying 3 and dividing 3. Sir, nothing sir. See here. First number, that is 1 by 2 I have written here. Okay, then I am multiplying and dividing other number. Okay, that is other number, that is 3. 3 is multiplied and 3 is divided. Sir, see, if we cancel this one, that is 3 1 3 1. What is the answer? That is simple, that is 1 by 2 Pakka 1 by 2 Then we have to check, that is 1 by 2 is multiplied by 3 and divided by 3. Divided by 3. Then what about this number? See here, I will write this number, that is 2 by 3 here. 2 by 3 is here. Then here we have to multiply and divided by which number? That is 2. What is that? 2. See here, multiply and divided by 2, so that we will get the denominator same. See here, that is 2 3s are 6, and here the 3 2s are 6. Okay, then we have to multiply 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4. समझ में गए? See here, one more time I will explain you. It is here the two rational numbers are given, which denominators are different. Then we have to compare between them. It is first we have to do first step, that is we have to make the denominator same. Okay, to do the denominator same, then we have to multiply and divide it by other number denominator. Okay, other number denominator. See here, 1 by 2 is here. Okay, 1 by 2 is here. Then here we have to multiply and divide it by 3. Okay, why sir? It is the denominator of other number. Then for 2 by 3, then what we have to do? That is divide and multiply and divided by other number denominator, that is 2. Whether we will get the same denominator? Yes sir. 2 3s are 6. Here the 3 2s are 6. Okay, then whatever will be the numerator, that is 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4. If see here, then come to the first step, that is if the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, then what we have to do? We have to compare the numerators. We have to compare the numerators. See here, 3 and 4 are the numerators. Which one is smaller here? That is simple. That is 3 is smaller than 4. Then we can say that easily. That is 3 by 6 is smaller than 4 by 6. Okay, sir. Here 3 by 6 is smaller than 4 by 6 is the answer. See here, first number is that is 1 by 2. Write it here, 1 by 2 here. And second one is 2 by 3. Okay, as it is. Whose answer that is? 3 by 6 is the answer of 3 by 6 is the answer of 1 by 2. Okay, 3 by 6 is the answer of 1 by 2 and 4 by 6 is the answer of 2 by 3. Okay, write it below that. That is 3 by 6 is answer of 1 by 2 and 4 by 6 is the answer of 2 by 3. Then easily we can substitute this symbol and easily we can substitute this symbol. Then we can say that 1 by 2 is smaller than 2 by 3. 1 by 2 is smaller than 2 by 3. समझ में गया बात? One more example I will explain you. That is 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. I will take 1 by 2. Okay, see what we have to do, sir. Here the two rational numbers are having different denominators. Then we have to do, that is first step, that is we have to same or we have to same the denominators. That is, see here how we will. This first step, that is 1 by 3 is here and multiply and divided by which number? That is denominator, other number denominator, that is 2. Okay, then which is the second number? That is 1 by 2 is there. Then close your eyes and easily multiply and divided by which number? That is denominator, that is 3, other number denominator, 3 and 3. Okay, see here, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. Then 1 3s are 3, then 2 3s are 6. Again answer, that is here two numbers are having same denominator. Okay, then we can say that it is 2 by 6 and 3 by 6 are there. 2 by 6 and 3 by 6 are there. And 2 by 6 is the answer of which number? That is 1 by 3. समझ में आ रहा बात? Write it here, 1 by 3. Then 3 by 6 is the answer of 1 by 2. I will write it here, 1 by 2. Okay, then don't compare these numbers. First, see here, if the denominators are same, then we can compare, that is numerators. Which one is smaller? That is 2 by 6. That is 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is smaller than 3. Then we can use this symbol. Okay. Then as it is, we will let this one. Why sir? Because 2 by 6 is the answer of 1 by 3 and 3 by 6 is the answer of 1 by 2. That is, we can write it here, that is 1 by 3 is smaller than 1 by 2. समझ में आ गया बात? Yes? Okay. If any doubts, ask me anytime, okay? Ask me in the groups, okay? Then I will explain you in the different methods. Let's take one more example. Sir, the one thing that we have to do, that is doing maths. It is easy to do, okay? To know the math or to know the mathematics, we have to do, okay? Do and do, okay? Then one more example where I will take, that is 3 by 2 and 4 by 3, whatever it will, okay? Here the denominators are different. Here the denominators are different. Then what we have to do? First thing, that is we have to same, or we have to compare the denominator. That is how? That is first number is 3 by 2. Okay, then we have to multiply and divide. That is which number? This number. Why, sir? Opposite denominator. Opposite number of denominator. That is 3 is there. I will multiply and divide 3 here. Okay, then what is the answer here? 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Then second number we have, that is 4 by 3 into. Why, sir? So that we have to same, or we have to compare only the denominator should be same. Then 4 by 3 is the second number. Here we have to multiply and divide 2. That is remaining number is 3 by 2. Then we have to take only denominator of other number. That is 2 by 2. Okay, then see, 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. I will write these numbers, that is 9 by 6 and 8 by 6. See here, 9 by 6 and 8 by 6. Okay, see, suppose if the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, then we have to compare the numerators. Sir, see, 9 is greater than 8. We can say that 9 is greater than 8. Then we will use this symbol. Okay? If the denominators are same, you can easily solve. That is 9 is greater than 8. Sir, but the question is different. What is that? That is 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 are there. Okay, now we have to take, that is 9 by 6. 9 by 6 is the answer of 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then I will write 3 by 2 here. Okay, then 8 by 6 is the answer of 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Okay, then directly we can use this symbol. Kannu muchi mela em bandirtadre ade answer ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮझ में आया? Okay, this is the if the denominators are different, we will compare the rational numbers like this. Okay, sir, what about if the rational numbers are 3 or more than 2 numbers? How we have to do, or how we have to compare these numbers? Okay, I will tell that method also. Easy is there, but we have to practice that one. Practice makes a man perfect. That's why you have to do practice, isn't it? Then how to compare the denominators are different for more than 2 digits of number? That is, take 1 by 2, comma 2 by 4, comma 3 by 2. 3 by 2 are there. Okay, see how we have to compare these 3 numbers, these 3 rational numbers. Simple as that. See, first we have to take the LCM of these 2 4 2, 2 comma 4 comma 2. Okay, that is first we have to make, that is we have to compare these 3 rational numbers, so that we have to do we have to take the LCM of these 2, 4, 2. Okay, then what is the answer here? Is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Then again 2, 1, 2 ones are 1 and as usual 1. And what is the LCM? It is 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM. I will write it here. 4 is the LCM. See, what we have to do, sir, how to take the LCM? Like this. And how to multiply these things? See here, LCM is 4. In the previous video, I have explained you that is 4 is the LCM. Then we have to then we have to take first number, that is 1 by 2 is there. What is the denominator of first number? That is 2. And divide by 2. Then what is the answer? 2. That 2 must be multiplied to the numerator. समझ में गया? In the previous video I have explained you about the LCM. Okay. Then which is the second number? That is 2 by 4 is there. But we have an LCM that is 4. 2 by 4 is there. What is the denominator of second number? That is 4. What is the answer? 4 ones are 1. Then we have to multiply 1 to numerator of second number, second digit number. Okay. Then third number we have, that is 4 is the numerator, sorry, 4 is the LCM. Then we have third number, that is 3 by 2. Is it? What is the denominator of third number? That is 2 is there. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Then we have to multiply 2 to third number of rational number. Then see here. See, 1 2s are 2, okay? 1 2s are 2. Here no symbol, any sign, plus symbol, minus symbol, don't put it. Comma is there, comma, put the comma. Okay, then 2 ones are 2. Okay, then 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 is there. Then we have to write, see here, I will write it this one like this, 2 by 4, comma, 2 by 4, comma, as usual 2 by 4, comma, and 6 by 4. Shall I write like this? Why, sir? Just I have distributed this 4 to all the numerators. Simple, see is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there. Whole divided by 4 is there, I will write it, that is 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 and 6 by 4. Okay, that is 2 by 4 is the answer of 1 by 2, isn't it? Then here 2 by 4 is the answer of same, that is 2 by 4 only. Then 6 by 4 is the answer of 3 by 2. Then we can easily say that if the denominators here, the denominators are same, here the denominators are same, that is we have to compare the only numerators, that is 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, sorry, 2 is there, 2 is there, and 6 is there. Here 2 and 2 are equal. I will use symbol like this. Okay, 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. Simple. Then here that 2 by 4, this 2 by 4 and 6 by 4. Here the denominators are same, but numerator, that is 2 is smaller than 6. 2 is smaller than 6. Isn't it? Then easily we can write it, that is 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4, but this 2 by 4 is smaller than 6 by 4. Okay, then we have to compare with this question, that is 2 by 4 is the answer of 1 by 2, that is same symbol equal. Then here 2 by 4 is answer of 2 by 4 only. Then this is smaller than 3 by 2, and this is the answer. समझ में आया बात? That is simple. First we have to save the denominator by taking LCM. Here we got the LCM, that is 4. And numerators are 2, 2 and 6. Okay, 2, 2 and 6. By comparing the numerators, these two numerators are same. Then we will write, that is 2 by 4 is the answer of 1 by 2. That's why I have written 1 by 2. And 2 by 4, this answer is equal to 2 by 4 only. But 6 by 4 is the answer of 3 by 2. So that by comparison, how we will compare? That is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 as usual. That is 2 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 2. समझ में आ गया बात? Then one more example I will take so that you will be clear. We have to compare these three rational numbers. First, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of these three denominators. That is 2, 3, 4. 2 ones are 2, as usual 3 is 3, and 2 twos are 4. And again I will take with 2, 1 is there, 3 is there, and 2 ones are 2. Again here 3 is there, 3 ones are 3. Here we will get, that is 2 into 2 into 3. What is the LCM? 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. I will not take more time about all the LCM. Okay, 2 twos are 4 and 4 threes are 12. Okay. LCM is 12. Okay, see first number, that is 12 is the LCM. Then we have to divide LCM, that is by first number. Which is the first number here? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the first number. What is the denominator of 3 by 2? That is 2. What we will get? 2 6 are 12, and we have to multiply 6. Isn't it? Then second number we have, that is 2 by 3. Sorry, 12. LCM is a 12, and we have second number, that is 2 by 3. What is the denominator here? 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, and we have to multiply second number with second numerator with 4. Isn't it? समझ में आ रहा है बात? Yes. The third one we have, that is numerator is 12, but we have to compare with third digit number, that is 2 by 4. And what is the denominator here? 4. 4 3s are 12. Then we have to multiply 3 with this answer with here. Okay, numerator of third one. Write it here. That is 6 3s are 18. Comma is there. Put the comma. Then 2 4s are 8. Comma, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, I will write like this. That is 18 by 12, comma, or I will not denoted by comma. Okay, 8 by 12 and 6 by 12. Just I have distributed this 12 to all the numerators. That is 18 is there, divided by 12 is there, and 8 is there, divided by 12 is there, and 6 is there, divided by 12. See here the denominators of three numbers are same. Here the denominator of three numbers are same. Okay, then we have to compare only numerators. See here, we can say that is 18. I will write only numerators, that is 18, 8 and 6. 18, 8 and 6. Okay, 18 is greater than 8. 18 is greater than 8. Pakka. Then 8 is also greater than 6. I will use this symbol, that is simple. 18 is greater than 8 and 8 is greater than 6. समझ में आ रहा है? Then simply I will denote here also, that is this symbol. Why sir? Here we have compared that is numerators, because here we got that is denominators are same. But we don't have this question. 18 by 12 in 3, 8 by 12 in 3, 6 by 12 question only. We have the question that is 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4. Isn't it? See, 18 by 12. 18 by 12 is the answer of which number? That is first number. This is also first number. This is also first number. I will write that is 3 by 2. Okay. Then which symbol I have to put? This is simple. Why sir? Here we got the solution. Then which is the second number? That is 8 by 12. 8 by 12 is the answer of 2 by 3. समझ में आ रहा है? Then here we will put same symbol. Then 6 by 12 is the answer of 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Here we have compared, that is 3 by 2, 2 by 3 as well as 2 by 4. Okay, here is the answer. That is 3 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is also greater than 2 by 4. This is the solution. Okay. If any doubt, ask me in the comment box, otherwise in the WhatsApp group. so that I will give you some examples or some homework for you. Comparison between these two rational numbers 5 by 6 and 6 by 5. Then second one 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3 sorry 2 by 4 comma and 4 by 2. Okay, we have to compare these two numbers. Okay, that is first one, that is we have to compare between 5 by 6 and 6 by 5, and as usual we have to compare the rational numbers between 1 by 3, 2 by 4 and 4 by 2. Okay, by this I will conclude my today's session. If any doubts, ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, please do the homework, please, so that we will be happy for taking this session. Okay, if any doubts, ask me please. To that, bye.